Hey, these guys sent me this day and night, rain or shine, smart bullet camera. 2K HD, 120 degree viewing and color night vision. Simple setup and easy to use. Two-way audio, human detection, instant motion alerts, and customized detection as well. We'll go over all that. Here's what's in the box. Let's see. All right, here's everything that came with it. And up here's the LED light. That's the lens right there. The night vision light is right down here actually. There's the speaker. And also what's in that is the reset button and the SD card slot. So we're gonna need a little screwdriver to access that. And then the antenna is gonna screw on back here. I'll go ahead and install this antenna right on there. Just screw it right on. The easiest way to install is just bend that thing over. That way you can just take this, screw it on like that. Okay, not to be alarmed when you see this one. So this is if Wi-Fi isn't good, and you can just connect with the Ethernet cable right to your router. For my purposes, I don't need to do that. I've got good Wi-Fi where I'm at. And I will mention that this Wi-Fi only works for 2.4 G, will not work for the 5G. And I understand that 2.4 goes a little bit farther, I guess, for these kind of cameras. But I've had good luck in the past with all of them. They almost all of them use the 2.4 G. So I'm just gonna kind of disregard this Ethernet connection here because I'm not gonna use it for this setup. I'm just gonna go Wi-Fi, but it will need power. And the power cord plugs right, that one plugs right into here. Just got an audible for this thing from it after I plugged it in. Just letting it do its thing. So now it's time to scan the QR code and download the app, sign up for the account, and follow the steps from there. Okay, I just put it in with these screws that it came with. Camera right there. Let's check it all out. I plugged it all in and everything. It's ready to roll. Let's see what it can do. Hey, it's got, just so you know, it's got adjustments on it. Up and down like that. And you can turn it. You can turn it that way. You loosen this nut up here, right there, and it'll allow you to kind of turn this thing. Or you can go that way, whichever way you want it to go. So I'm gonna kind of angle it off that way. So I'll just put it where I want it and tighten that down right there. Here's a look at it in daylight with the light on. It's kind of demonstrating indoor use of this thing. Works great. You guys, I wanted to kind of show you how dark it is in here. Well, that camera just went on. So just doing a little night vision test here. See how good this camera sees. I'm gonna turn that light off. A little bit of light coming through the window, but it's pitch black in here to the eye, especially when you come in from outside. But let's get a little look through the lens of the camera. All right, I'm just recording here. Showing you the night vision on this. This thing's got some really good night vision.